After 2 weeks of diplomatic strikes on Pakistan, India gives a fitting military response. Operation Sindoor, launched by Indian forces on Wednesday, targeted terrorist hideouts and camps in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. 1:04 a.m. Target number 1. Abbas terrorist camp at Kotli in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. 13 kilometers from line of control, the camp, according to the army, is a nerve center for training suicide bombers of Lashkar-e-Taiba and has training infrastructure for over 50 terrorists. Target number 2, Sarjal in Sialkot. A Jaish-e-Mohammed camp located just 8 kilometers from the international border is hit. At 1:11 a.m., a Hizbul Mujahideen training camp in Mehmoona, close to Sarjal in Sialkot, is struck. The Indian military also targeted 3 major Lashkar and Jaish hubs. The most critical strike was on Murid Ke, 30 kilometers from the Samba border. The Lashkar-e-Taiba headquarters, which was operating out of a mosque, was bombed 4 times. The terrorists behind the 26/11 Mumbai attacks were housed at this very location. Another major target, Bahawalpur Masjid, the headquarters of the Jaish-e-Mohammed. Located 100 kilometers from the international border, this is where Jaish-e-Mohammed chief Masood Azhar suffered major losses. 7 close aides, his elder sister, brother-in-law, nephew, and the Kotli camp commander are killed in the strike. Indian forces also hit a Jaish-e-Mohammed transit camp in a mosque at Muzaffarabad, Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. This facility was used to train terrorists with the support of Pakistan Army. Another major target was the Bhimbar camp in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, housing several active terrorists. Additional locations like Gulpur and Chak Amru, used for training, weapons storage, and safe houses, were hit. Gulpur has been linked to the April 2023 Poonch terror attack. The details and proof of Operation Sindoor were released by the government on Wednesday morning. The media briefing was conducted by 2 women officers in a tribute to the widows of the Pahalgam attack victims.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में हुए विभत्स आतंकवादी हमले के शिकार मासूम नागरिकों व उनके परिवारों को न्याय देने के लिए लॉन्च किया गया था। इस कार्रवाई में 9 टेररिस्ट कैंप्स को टारगेट किया गया और पूरी तरह से इसे बर्बाद किया गया।
No military establishments were targeted. India has demonstrated considerable restraint in its response. However, it must be said that the Indian armed forces are fully prepared to respond to Pakistani misadventures, if any, that will escalate this situation.
Operation Sindoor struck at the heart of the terror network in Pakistan. Will Pakistan learn its lessons? Remains the big question.